Welcome to my channel Journal from Abroad. Today I am going to teach you how to uplift this boring electric candle using something beautiful, using some decoupage paper and some paint. So for that we will require obviously candles and some scissors, some glue, any you can use, some finisher. Like this time I am using gloss finish, and that is also dishwasher safe. Some paint brushes and paint whatever base you want for the electric candles, and a sponge to paint on the electric candles. So let's get started. Now I will let it air dry for a while, and this is how after air dry, this is how it will look. I have made a similar, and this is how they will turn out. You can do it by blow drying it, or you can let it sit. For the best results, I would recommend that you let it air dry.